This is liquid printed pneumatics, a revolution in fast 3D printing. Liquid printed pneumatics are a new class of complex 3D printed parts that can be created quickly and on a large scale in silicone rubber. The shapes can include bladders that are water and air impermeable, such as this example. The raw material is a large vat of gel. A directional nozzle is moved about in the gel and squirts a hardening compound that mixes with the gel, solidifying it and forming the part. The bigger the vat, the bigger the parts that can be created. So this is a completely new way of creating large, flexible and elastic parts that can be used in pneumatics, i.e. using air as a way of moving and positioning. These silicone rubber objects are the first example of a fully printed inflatable material that can self-transform, adapt and morph from one state to another. It can change size and shape depending upon the amount of air pressure in the system. Developed in collaboration with BMW, the initial application was for controlled movement of interior automotive surfaces. This technology clearly lends itself to seating, creating customized comfort. But on a larger scale, walls and other surfaces could be moved and morphed, and ingress of light and air could be controlled through these pneumatic actuators. It got included into the library, as did many of Skylar Tippett's concepts, because it's an example of how innovation can be achieved with very simple materials, but also by considering their manufacture. Industrial materials can take on new life as active solutions through clever lamination, printing, shaping or agglomeration. For the Self-Assembly Lab, this has been its driving force and why we constantly look to the group for ideas and inspiration.